Think about your password for a moment. The one you use for your email, your social media, maybe even your bank account. Now ask yourself this: what if that password is already in the hands of a hacker? Not guessed, not cracked, already stolen. Right now, there are billions of leaked passwords circulating on the internet, and there's a very real chance yours is one of them. Part 1. The hidden world of data breaches. Most people think hacking is about breaking into systems, but in reality, most data is simply stolen in bulk. Over the years, some of the biggest companies in the world have been breached. One of the largest incidents was the Yahoo data breaches, where billions of accounts were exposed. Emails, usernames, passwords, all leaked. And once that data is out, it never really disappears. It gets copied, sold, shared, again and again. Part 2. Where your password ends up. After a data breach, stolen passwords don't just sit in one place. They spread across the internet. Some end up on underground forums. Some are sold in bulk. Some are compiled into massive databases called combo lists. These lists contain millions, even billions of login credentials. Hackers use them like a weapon. They don't need to hack you directly. They just check if your email and password already exist in these lists, and if they do, you're already compromised. Part 3. The dangerous habit everyone has. Here's the problem. Most people reuse passwords. The same password for email, social media, online shopping. It feels convenient, but it creates a chain reaction. If one website gets breached, every account using that same password becomes vulnerable. Hackers exploit this using a method called credential stuffing. They take leaked usernames and passwords and automatically try them on thousands of websites. It's fast, it's scalable, and it works. Part 4. How hackers access your accounts. Once a password is leaked, attackers don't need advanced skills. They use automation. Bots test millions of login attempts in minutes. If your password matches, they're in. And sometimes they don't even need your password. They can use techniques like social engineering to trick you into giving it away. Fake emails, fake login pages, fake messages, all designed to look real. And once they get access, they can reset passwords, steal data, or even lock you out completely. Part 5. Why you don't realize it. The scariest part, most people never realize they've been compromised. Hackers don't always act immediately. Sometimes they wait, they observe, they collect more data. Your account could be accessed silently without any warning signs. No alerts, no notifications, just someone else inside your digital life. Your password is more than just a key. It's the gateway to your identity, your data, your money, your private life. And in today's digital world, that gateway is constantly under attack. Data breaches happen all the time. Passwords are leaked every day, and most of the time, we don't even know it. So the real question isn't, could someone hack you? It's this: how much of your data is already out there?